heard, Google has launched some amazing features that will help both YouTubers and researchers. In today's video, I want us to go through some of them. Let's get started. The first feature we will be talking about is called View. View is the latest AI video generation model that has been introduced by Google. You can generate AI videos for YouTube Shorts by just using prompts. This is how their platform looks like. You can sign up using this sign up button and then try it out. The second feature we will be looking at is the Inspiration tab in your YouTube studio. The Inspiration tab assists you with potential ideas that viewers might watch. To get to your Inspiration tab, first of all, navigate to YouTube, then head over to select YouTube Studio. After selecting YouTube Studio, you head over to Analytics and navigate to the Inspiration tab. You can use the search button to search for topics that people are likely to watch. The third feature is called Auto Dubbing. It is yet to be implemented by Google. Your videos will be made accessible in different languages when you upload them. Fourth feature is new safety measures on your Google account. Now, in order to ensure that there is more security on your Google account, head over to your Google account and navigate to Manage Google Account. Now, after that, you select Security over here. When you select Security, you get to see the option that tells you how you can sign in to Google over here. And you can sign into Google by enabling two-step verification password authenticator. If you don't have this, I would advise that you enable this so that you make sure that your account is more secure. You can also add a recovery phone or a recovery email. You can add more sign-in options like passkeys and security keys, Google prompt, backup two-step verification phones. The next feature is new designs for Chrome by Latino artists. You can use these designs to customize your browser. In order to use this, select a design of your choice and click on Add to Chrome. So let's say that I want to go with this design. I'll just click on it and select Add to Chrome. The moment you click on Add to Chrome, the changes will be made to your browser. The last feature we will be talking about is Google Lens. Google Lens helps you to enhance your search with ease. To get started, you would select Google Lens in the address bar. So first of all, you need to search for what you want to search for and select Google Lens in the address bar. Click on it and drag it over to any word at all that you want to have more elaboration on. After selecting a word, Google will give you more explanation on the word that you chose. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.